You don't need a camera for this, we won't be producing any of our own video, and we don't even require any social media following on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or Facebook to start earning money online for this highly popular niche. Without having you produce a single piece of original content, I'll show you how to do this on a PC or a mobile device. All you need is the ability to copy and paste. Anyone can use these platforms for free to create several online income streams. In fact, without even producing your own content, every second of this video is bringing you closer to $10,000 each month using TikTok. I advise you to observe every single step in this video while paying close attention. Before we start, welcome to the channel, Zilliv Finance. Make sure to subscribe if you want to become wealthy, since we teach all the ways to make money, and turn on the notification bell for new videos, so you will be updated with our new content. Now let's get back to the video. If you look at this TikTok page right here, you are going to see that this page has over 1.5 million followers. And if you scroll throughout this page, you are going to see that this page is getting a lot of views in the millions. The truth is, these people are not even recording these contents with their own video footage. They are using free copyrighted video footage online for these videos. Anyone can do this and create several revenue streams. I advise paying close attention to this video, since every second of it might help you earn close to $10,000 per month using TikTok without even producing any of your own content. As you can see, the majority of these videos are straightforward, natural videos from stock video websites that they haven't even recorded themselves. All they're doing is adding their simple text over these videos to create their own simple little motivational videos, which they then post on TikTok and get paid for. This TikTok page is generating between $500 and $3,000 per day through their TikTok content. In addition to TikTok being the foundation of the entire business, it also opens up a variety of different income streams, which is exactly what I'll be showing to you today. It's also very simple to put together a TikTok like this, because it only takes 6 to 10 minutes out of your day, after which you can continue working or studying. Therefore, this is a great side business. This is another excellent example of a page that just takes stock YouTube videos and comments and adds their own inspirational lines over various speeches that they've discovered on YouTube. You may see here, they are making multiple streams of income through affiliate links in the link of their bio on their TikTok page, which again receives hundreds of thousands of views, with 1 or 2 videos reaching over 1 million views. If I click on the link in the bio, it will take me up to some kind of affiliate link over here. As you can see, they have their links organized and are obviously promoting different, and the promotion button over here. This is another excellent example of a page that just takes stock YouTube videos and comments and adds their own inspirational lines over various speeches that they've discovered on YouTube. You may see here they are making multiple streams of income through affiliate links in the link of their bio on their TikTok page, which again receives hundreds of thousands of views, with 1 or 2 videos reaching over 1 million views. As you can see, they have their links organized and are obviously promoting different affiliate programs, and they are accepting promotions from brands right here. Promotion button over here. Now, to get started, go to Pinterest.com. Once you are here, type in the search bar motivational quotes or inspirational quotes. This is where we are going to be getting some of the best quotes to use in our videos. Let's click on the search bar and type in motivational quote. Once you are done, hit enter. Now right on this page you are going to see a lot of quotes to choose from. All you have to do is look for the best one you like to use in your videos. Let's choose this one right here, which says, "Never stop learning, because life never stops teaching." Now that we have the quote we are going to look for the videos to use behind the quotes. The first website to look for free video stock footage is called Pexels.com. Once you are here, click right here on videos, and you can then type in the search bar whatever kind of video you want to get. The second website is called Pixabay.com. Once you are here, click on the drop down and choose videos. Once you do that, you can then search for drone footage in the search bar. Once you do that, you are going to see a lot of drone footage to use in your content. All you have to do is choose any one of them and download them. Let's choose this one right here. Click on it and let it load. Once you are here, click on download right here. Now you have to choose the highest quality as possible. Once you do that, click on download. As you can see, the video footage will be downloaded onto your PC. Now, go to this website, canva.com. This is an online video editing tool where you can edit videos for your content online. Once you are here, type in the search bar, TikTok Story. Once you are done, you are going to see a lot of both free and paid TikTok template on this page for you to use for your project. For this video, let you choose create a blank template TikTok story. Click on it and let it load. Once you are on this page, the first thing is to upload your video, the one we downloaded. Click on Uploads right here, then click on Upload Files. Now you can choose the video you downloaded, and it will be uploaded. Now, drag the video on to the template. The next thing is to put on the inspirational text we got from Pinterest.com, which says, "Never stop learning because life never stops teaching." To do that, click on the text right here, and then click on Add a Heading. From here, all you have to do is click on the text and retype the quote we just got from Pinterest.com. Once you are done, you can drag it around and position it to the middle. To change the time frame or how long you want the video to be, just click right up here and make it short or longer as you want. Once you are done, it's time to download the video. To do that, click right up here on Share, click on download again, it will be downloaded on to your PC. From here you can then upload this video to TikTok, YouTube, Instagram and start making money. Is that simple? And that's it, guys. If you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. So, whenever we upload a new video online, you will be updated with our new content. See you in the next video.